welcome to my channel, Keep My Life in Order, your life, your journey, and lifestyle that fits for you. Hey y'all, hey, happy new year, all the things. I hope you guys have been doing well. I am so sorry I have been gone for a while, y'all. That's why I'm doing this video. I want to give you guys a life update and let you know what's been going on with me. I miss y'all. I miss filming. I miss all the things. But y'all, I don't do this full time. Like, I do have a full-time job and I have other things that's going on in my life. I do it because I enjoy it. I like talking to y'all. I like being on camera. It's a hobby for me. So yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I'm gonna give you guys a life update of what's going on. I'm gonna do my makeup at the same time. So anyway, y'all, how y'all been? How y'all been? I'm actually looking at this little small mirror that I got in front of me, y'all. So if I ain't looking up in the camera, that's why, okay? But y'all, so let's just catch up. You know, let's go and get to the business and be like, let's catch up. So like I said, happy new year. So what I'm gonna be sharing with y'all just a little bit about what was going on in my life the later part of the year. Let me put some more of this on here. The later part of the year, why I haven't been filming, y'all. What's been going on? So I'm gonna start off with the shift in September. So I knew last year at some point that I wanted to take a theology class. And so they started doing registration in, I believe it was in the summer of 2025. I believe it was in the summer of 2025 when they started doing the registration. So I'm like, oh, I was so excited about it. And I knew during the registration, I was told that the class is gonna be about 25 weeks, which is equivalent to what? 5 months? 5, close to 6 months, something like that. So I knew that. So y'all, the class started in September, and the class requires you to be in attendance. I have to attend the class in person once a week for about a couple of hours a week. So that started in the first week of September, and y'all, I have been busy ever since. I've been so busy ever since, and it's just like, I love it. It's a small classroom setting. It's a very personable class, and what the class is about is just learning your role as being a follower for Christ. Like, what it is that what are some of the things that you need to prepare for to do your servanthood, to perform, to be a true follower for the Lord, and to exemplify his work in the body of Christ. And so I love the class, y'all. It is a very eye-opening class. It is a very intense class. I mean, we're learning. Everybody it's a lot of group participation in the class, so everybody has to participate. And so we have assignments that's due every week. We have stuff that we have to do on a daily basis. So when we meet up, we can discuss what we've learned. It's just such a great thing. You get to partner with other individuals in the class, and so I'm enjoying it. I love it. And so fast forward, like I said, the class is originally 25 weeks and we started back in September. So during the holidays, it was a lot of people that had to be out because of travel and things that was going on. So thankfully, the elders that are teaching the class, they decided to be nice enough and gracious enough to work with our schedules. So it's kind of like pushing us back. So y'all, I think I have maybe like 3 more months left or something like that, but it's okay. So y'all, that's one reason why I have not been filming, because I've been so into my I've been really focusing on my spiritual nutrition, and so that's why you guys haven't really been seeing me That's one of the reasons why I haven't been doing videos. I haven't been uploading like I should or anything, or like I used to in the past, and it's okay. So that's one thing that's been going on in my life, is my theology class that I'm taking, and I'm really loving it, and I thank God for the experience. So that happened in September. So let's move to October. So probably, I don't know when it was last year. I can't even remember. I don't know if it was the summer or the ending of the spring, but it was brought to my attention that I was going to transfer into a different district on my team, in my department. It was brought to my attention I was going to transfer to a different district in my department. And so I knew that. And with that, I was able to be closer to home, y'all. The last district I was in, I was like 2 hours one way. It was like 2 hours one way to get to my district. And it was just like, oh my God, when the company made that decision for me, because I mean, it was asked how I felt about it, but I was told, you guys, y'all make that decision, because I didn't want to, walk away from the relationships that I had already created and build in my other district. So they made that decision for me, and y'all, it was the best decision in the world. Whew. Yeah, I didn't realize how much I was traveling. I didn't realize how commuting was taking a toll on me, and how I wasn't getting enough sleep, and how that did cause a lot of stress and all the things, until I was able to not have to travel like that anymore. And so the whole month of October was just a whole life-changing experience for me. And I am so grateful to God for being able to give me time back. And he did that for me, because I didn't realize how much I was on the road and just all of the things. And so God really just gave me time back. And I was like, wow, this is pretty nice. This is pretty good. I'm like, wow, I didn't realize how I was missing out on so much time being on the road like that. Because being on the road takes a lot out of you, whether you know it or not, if you're a commuter. So anyway, with that being said, along with me changing districts, I do some redesigning in our roles and responsibilities. So now, you guys, I feel like I have changed careers. Like, I am truly in the wholehearted marketing industry. I feel like a marketing manager. Like, oh my God, this is what marketing is all about, because it's like now my target focus is to make sure that we meet our performance metrics. And by doing so, I have to go out and do all the marketing, do the promotioning of the events, make sure that our sponsors having everything that they need, more constant collaboration with them to ensure that they meet their goals, and make sure they have the presentation. So when we come to the event, we're ready to have a successful, for the event to be successful. So it's like, y'all, I have never did so much marketing. I mean, your girl has ChatGPT. I have went on YouTube, just getting ideas, just trying to just do as much as I can to push the product in our brand. And so it's just like, oh my goodness, it has really been a great experience though. But I could just tell, like, yeah, I've changed. So I would say from, like, it's January now. I think now I'm going into my 4th month of being in the area, like, and learning more. I feel like I'm getting a whole lot better with the new added responsibilities. So, but I'm enjoying it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that's what's been going on as far as the work front. And like I said, I'm just so grateful to the Lord for all that he has done, all that he will continue to do. Yeah, I am actually trying the Ulta product brand concealer and foundation. And I think I'm all right with it, y'all. I really don't have too, it's not a bad product line. I am very impressed. It's very affordable. Now, you don't get a lot of product as per se, as far as the contents, the packaging. They don't give you a lot of that, but I can say I am impressed with the products itself. It's not too bad. So moving on to the next thing that has happened. So the next thing is, so I talked about September, talked about what happened in October. So let's talk about November. So November, you guys, I went on a women's retreat, my first women retreat ever. Y'all, when I tell you it was so nice, I didn't vlog anything. Again, I'm just been so caught up in the moment and just enjoying how God is really just working in me and how he's enlarging my territory and how he's just pouring into me through the heart and the spirit, through the heart of others, and just fellowship with other fellow women of Christ. But y'all, when I went to that women's retreat, we had a really, 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 really good time. And we were there for 3 days and 2 nights. And so we had guest speakers. We had speakers on our leadership team from the church that spoke to us. And y'all, when I tell you, we were praying and crying and just embracing each other, talking about, things that we've experienced as being women. And so the takeaway from the event is, as women, we have to learn how to remove the mask, because we play so many different roles and we carry on so many hats until we do not know how to remove the mask. Sometimes you get in your own way, right? You can get in your own way because you have set expectations for yourself. And so just learning how to be soft and to be vulnerable is, you have to slow down and just take a break and, spend more time with yourself and with the Lord. At whatever point of the day that you can, take that time and do that for yourself, because you need God as a woman, or even as a man. We just from the conference, we need God in order to show up for him and to be the women of faith that he has called us to be. And y'all, it was just so breathtaking to know, as women, no matter what your relationship status is, your career status, it don't matter. We all are women and we all go through those same emotions and those challenges that, we have to learn how to, I'm trying to learn how to do this. Hold up, y'all. This is a little bit different for me. We have to learn how to, I got powder all on my face. We have to learn how to, as women, just being able to know how to navigate through those roles and responsibilities that we face on a daily basis, until you don't have to be strong all the time. Why are we walking around here trying to be strong all the time? You don't have to be strong all the time. So y'all, that really opened my eyes up to myself, as far as like slowing down, not trying to think too fast, speak too fast, which I don't know, I am a fast talker and I'm trying to slow down with that, but just slow down myself. I just recently found me a new nail set, and it wasn't until this last experience I realized that it's her job, and she takes it so seriously. It's her job to make sure that I have a very relaxing and enjoyable experience, and that I am satisfied with the work that she is doing. And so the times that I went in the past to get my nails and my pedicure, I will always like be mad at her, or not mad at her. I'll be irritated because she's just taking so much time. She's just being so graceful with me and wanting to hold conversations with me. And I'm just always in a rush. I'm like, oh my gosh, she's going so slow. She's saying, now mind you, I done made an appointment with this woman. She's had me, she pampers me. She massages my hands. She does a good job on my feet. Like, she's really trying to give me the whole experience, but I'm so busy trying to hurry up. Like, I don't have time. Can we? It wasn't until the last time she did it, I realized, first of all, I wanted a better time that was good for me. All the other times wasn't really good for me. So this time when I changed this schedule to go to her this time, I could enjoy the experience more. And so I realized she is trying to get me to slow down and enjoy life and just be soft. Enjoy what she's trying to do. Enjoy being here. Enjoy, getting yourself pampered. Yeah. I was just like, Lord, what have I been doing? Where have I been? What world have you been in, Danielle? So, but these going back to the women's retreat, and it was so nice, so nice. And it was good because it was at that retreat that I was able to build and grow relationship with other members, because we have several campuses. Our church has several campuses, and so it was women there from different campuses, or women that attended different services. And so I really enjoyed it. It was so nice. And now fast forward to today, I have been invited to other events with some of those women. I have had luncheons with some of these women. Like, it's just really, really become a very empowering relationship that God has blessed me with. Yeah, so that's what's been going on with me. I just wanted to pop on here and to share with y'all what I've been doing and do a quick makeup haul. I do not want to come up here and promise and be like, hey y'all, I'm gonna do this and this and this and this. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna see y'all later. And I just wanted to come here and let you guys know I have not left YouTube. I love YouTube. This is my outlet. It brings me so much joy to make videos. And that's just where I've been, y'all. That's what's been going on with your girl, okay? God has been showing out. He really has. He's been enlarging my territory, and I'm just really on a very, very strong spiritual journey, and I'm enjoying it. I'm absolutely loving it, and life is good, y'all. Life is really, really good over here. So, yeah, it's my makeup look. So cute. So cute. I just got my hair braided. Probably, it's probably been, when I got these braids. I think I got them. I don't know when this video comes. It's probably been a week. It ain't been a week. I just got my hair braided, y'all. Really love my braids. Been moving my braids. Been missing my braids. I have been wearing sew-ins for a while, so I've been missing wearing my braids. But y'all, I was doing the YouTube shorts, and I was just doing like fashion content. So y'all comment below and let me know if you guys enjoyed seeing that content. It wasn't the fact that I couldn't do it. It was like, I realized I had so much content in my phone, y'all, and it just was about editing and uploading. It really was. But anyway, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this life update. Happy New Year, guys. Comment below, let me know what some of you guys' New Year goals are, or what you guys been doing, because I know we haven't had the chance to chat. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.